what you know.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be, well, I didn't really want to do it, but Honda Fit oil change. I guess I'll just jack it up, put on stands, open the hood, and that little quick thing. It's really simple. It's nothing too crazy. It's just oil change. It's nothing complicated, so you'll see. So stay tuned.
One eternity later.
So I've already got the Honda Fit on jack stands already. So you can see, all you did was pop the hood, whatever. You guys already know how to do all that crap already. Pop the hood, put this latch thing on, hold your hood, jack up your car, and then just put on jack stand. Make sure you wobble, make sure the car doesn't shake, whatever. If it does, oh god. Ew, dirt. But yeah, before I actually cleaned it before, I didn't show any of those videos too. I didn't have time. It was snowing here in Philly. So yeah, so I'm actually gonna go down, take off the whole entire clips to get that under tray off. Okay, so after 6 screws and 2 of these retaining clips, that came off. Done a body tray. And let me grab a light really quick. Handy dandy light. So what we're gonna do is drain the oil and remove the oil filter, engine oil. So we're gonna unbolt that, drain out all the oil, and take that off. So we're just gonna replace that and let that fully drain. Look at my ugly rake. But yeah, but first we have to take off the cap. I hate taking off caps. I don't know why, but it always gets stuck on me. Maybe I just have really dainty hands. Pretty girly hands or something. Oh god. Oh, there you go. Pliers. There we go. A lot easier. Can't even see, it's too dark. Ooh, it is glowy. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. It's my yoga mat. I don't like laying on this hard thing anymore. But yeah, get back to it. So I guess it's stupid of me not wanting to grab my tripod. So I'm gonna just leave this here really quick and drain out the oil. It's loose already. Hopefully it doesn't pee all over me. Boom! There she blows. Okay, she's pretty dark. But yeah, as you can see, oil draining. I'm gonna let that drain for a bit, and then afterward I'm gonna take off that filter, let it drain out the rest. So yeah, it's pretty boring. Just me by myself in a garage on the cold floor on top of a yoga mat doing an oil change. So while I'm waiting for the oil to finally fully drip, there we go. God is peeing everywhere. Nasty. Dirty. Well, I always, I guess, replace my oil filter all the time. I don't know. It's just a habit. I just never leave it in there while I do an oil change. Just doing an oil change, just leave it there. I just basically just keep changing out the filter also. I don't know, it's just a habit. Something's weird about me. I read it somewhere where you don't even need to change that till like after certain miles. But I don't know, I like to change it. Hands are dirty. Just wipe some stuff off. Probably should lower the car a little bit at the front so that way I can drip off the remaining. But I like wiping things down just in case. It just gets really, really messy. Leaving residue. I'm gonna just wait till fully all come out. I think it's already almost coming out already. I guess whatever. I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you guys afterwards when I start adding in the oil. But I'm just gonna put this drain plug back in. I'm gonna clean it up first, put in a new washer, bolt it back up, put in a new filter, and then we're set. So my next step is to lube this baby. Put my finger inside a little bit oil container. My dirty finger. Oh, look how she goes. Oh. I rub her. I don't care what anyone says. Whatever. Same thing. Boom, done. Scary sounds. Oh yeah, I'm using fan. Who cares? Shut up. Ugh. I think my bitch hands have nowhere to go. But yeah, that's done. Yeah, I'm gonna install that back on. Then all I have to do is just add the oil and we're set. I think I only use, remember back in my head, 3.5 or 3.8 with the filter replace. So I guess it's that. Ew, dirty. But yeah, I'm actually gonna put oil into there and then pack that thing and we're set. Oh yeah, the reset. I have to do a reset light on the oil change light too. So I'm not great in math, so I know I'll make a mark at 3.5. So it's 3.5 if you're, I guess, USA model Honda Fit, I guess. But yeah, I was gonna record, but this thing was in my way, this stupid ass thing. So putting a funnel, recording, and you know, pouring was not so easy. So yeah, shut the fuck up. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this oil cap back on. And that wraps it. All I have to do is turn it on, let it cycle. That's all done. And we're off to the next step, which is to do the reset and call it a day. It's only been like 20 minutes, like 15-20 minutes. Ha! Gay! Okay, reset time. Let me adjust this steering wheel. I like get low. I don't know why, but I guess now you can see everything. Okay. I guess I'll close the door because I feel like it. Don't mind my music. See? 10%. Only have... Oh crap! Just hit 8,000 miles today. I didn't even realize that. But yeah. So once I get in here, I'll click this knob right here, as like any other car. Hold it for like about, I guess, 10 seconds, whenever that works. There we go, now it flash. Oh, did I just messed up again? Fix that step.
You gotta fix that step.
Fix that step. But yeah, hold it till it flash, and then after, I guess you let go. This is what I get for not reading instructions. So hold on to it again, and let's see if that does anything. It's like any other computer crap. There we go, 100%.
I fixed the step, didn't I? Look how solid it is. I'm like Shirley Temple and that black guy.
Okay, so it's not 7,000 miles. It's 39,000 miles I put onto this. God, what was wrong with my brain? So yeah, 39,000 miles from 2016 until now it's 2019. We're in February, I guess. But yeah, 39,000. It was 0 miles from the dealership when I first had it. But yeah, it's been very great to me. Like I said, it's about 100 miles a day, 120, 130 miles a day, back and forth from work. So yeah, I love this Honda Fit. I don't care. I actually added this trimming things on top of it so to protect my stupid things. But yeah, everything else is great. Now we're done. I guess, I don't know, whatever. Oh yeah, I hang a monkey on my keychain. But yeah, that's done for today. Oil change complete. Reset complete. Car happy? Let's see. Car is happy. So I know this is probably like the shortest vlog ever or the crappiest vlog ever, but I am starting and I know I suck at it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know you guys are gonna write all these hating stuff. I could care less. But I'm still gonna read it anyway because I'm that type of person. I'm just gonna read it, cry, and then I'll maybe respond, and then I'll be like, whatever. You can troll all you want because I love trolling. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.